The narwhal, often referred to as the unicorn of the sea, is one of the most fascinating and enigmatic creatures inhabiting the Arctic waters. Known scientifically as monodon monoceros, which means one-toothed, one-horned, narwhals have captivated the imaginations of humans for centuries, primarily due to their distinctive, spiral tusks. These remarkable marine mammals possess a range of incredible traits and behaviors that make them truly unique in the animal kingdom. The enigmatic tusk. The most striking feature of the narwhal is undoubtedly its long, spiral tusk, which can grow up to 10 feet in length. This tusk is actually an elongated upper left canine tooth that protrudes through the male narwhal's lip. While both males and females have this tooth, it is far more prominent in males. The exact purpose of the tusk has been a topic of debate among scientists. Initially thought to be used for combat, recent research suggests that the tusk functions as a sensory organ. It contains millions of nerve endings that may help narwhals detect changes in their environment, such as water temperature and salinity, which are crucial for survival in the Arctic. Adaptations to Arctic life. Narwhals are supremely adapted to the harsh conditions of the Arctic. They have a thick layer of blubber which insulates them against the freezing temperatures and provides energy reserves during the lean months when food is scarce. Their streamlined bodies and absence of a dorsal fin allow them to navigate through the dense ice pack with ease. Narwhals can dive to incredible depths of up to 1,500 meters, 4,900 feet, and can remain submerged for up to 25 minutes, which is essential for finding food in the deep waters of the Arctic. Unique social structure. Narwhals are highly social animals, often found in pods ranging from a few individuals to several dozen. These pods consist of females and their calves, along with juvenile and adult males. Social interactions within these pods are complex and involve a range of vocalizations, including clicks, whistles, and knocks, which are believed to facilitate communication and echolocation. Echolocation is particularly important for narwhals as it helps them navigate and hunt in the dark, murky waters under the ice. Diet and feeding habits. The diet of the narwhal primarily consists of Arctic fish, such as Greenland halibut, Arctic cod, and shrimp. Narwhals have a unique hunting strategy that involves deep dives to locate prey. They use echolocation to pinpoint their targets and then suck them into their mouths, often swallowing them whole. During the winter months, when the ice cover is extensive, narwhals must travel long distances to find open water and food, demonstrating their incredible resilience and adaptability. Narwhals in culture and mythology. The narwhal's tusk has given rise to many legends and myths throughout history. In medieval Europe, narwhal tusks were often sold as unicorn horns and were believed to possess magical properties, such as the ability to neutralize poison and cure various ailments. These tusks were highly prized and could fetch exorbitant prices. Indigenous Arctic cultures, such as the Inuit, have long revered narwhals, incorporating them into their mythology and relying on them as a vital source of food and materials. Conservation status and threats. Despite their adaptations to the Arctic environment, narwhals face numerous threats, both natural and anthropogenic. Climate change is perhaps the most significant threat, as rising temperatures and melting ice disrupt their habitat and migration patterns. As the ice recedes, narwhals are forced to travel greater distances to find food and suitable breeding grounds. Additionally, increased human activities, such as shipping and oil exploration, contribute to noise pollution, which can interfere with their echolocation and communication. Narwhals are also hunted by indigenous communities in Greenland and Canada. This hunting is regulated and plays a crucial role in the subsistence and cultural practices of these communities. However, there is ongoing concern about the sustainability of narwhal populations, given the additional pressures they face from environmental changes. Scientific research and conservation efforts. In recent years, there has been a growing interest in studying narwhals to better understand their behavior, ecology, and the impacts of climate change on their populations. Scientists use a variety of methods to study these elusive creatures, including satellite tagging, acoustic monitoring, and aerial surveys. These research efforts have provided valuable insights into narwhal migration patterns, habitat use, and social structure. Conservation organizations are also working to protect narwhals by advocating for the reduction of greenhouse gas emissions, the establishment of marine protected areas, and the implementation of sustainable hunting practices. Collaborative efforts between scientists, indigenous communities, and policymakers are essential to ensuring the long-term survival of this iconic Arctic species. The future of narwhals. The narwhal's future is closely tied to the health of the Arctic ecosystem. As climate change continues to alter the landscape of the Arctic, it is imperative to understand and mitigate its effects on narwhal populations. Protecting narwhals requires a comprehensive approach that addresses both the direct and indirect threats they face. In conclusion, narwhals are extraordinary creatures that embody the resilience and adaptability required to survive in one of the planet's most extreme environments. Their unique tusks, social behaviors, and remarkable adaptations make them a subject of fascination and admiration. However, the challenges they face due to climate change and human activities underscore the need for concerted conservation efforts. By deepening our understanding of narwhals and working to protect their Arctic home, we can help ensure that these unicorns of the sea continue to thrive for generations to come.